Good morning, children. Hope all of you have studied the previous topic. Today, we will study about water, problems of water availability, and conservation of water resources. Let's start. Water is a vital, renewable, natural resource. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It is therefore our Earth is called the water planet. Do you know how many years back before the human life have been started on the Earth? It was in the primitive oceans that life began almost 3.5 billion years back. Even today, the oceans cover the 2/3 of the Earth's surface and support a rich variety of plant and animal life. However, the ocean water is saline and not fit for human consumption. Fresh water accounts for only about 2.7%. Nearly 70% of this fresh water occurs as ice sheets and glaciers in Antarctica, Greenland, and mountain regions. And 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. It is found as groundwater, as surface water in rivers and lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. The important fact is that water can neither be added nor subtracted. How does this happen? As you know, it is through water cycle. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes different processes. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Then it condenses to form clouds and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Let's discuss about the usages of water. Humans use huge amounts of water not only for drinking and washing but also in the process of production. Water for agriculture, industries, generating electricity through reservoirs of dams are the other usages. But nowadays we are facing the problem of water shortage. Increasing population, rising demands for food and cash crops, increasing urbanization and rising standards of living are the major factors leading to the shortage in supply of fresh water. So, how can we conserve water resources? Even though water is a renewable resource, its overuse and pollution make it unfit for use. Discharge of untreated or partially treated sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial effluents in water bodies are major contaminants. They pollute water with nitrates, metals, and pesticides. So, water pollution can be controlled by treating these effluents suitably before releasing them in water bodies. Afforestation is another way to conserve water. Forest and other vegetation cover slow the surface runoff and replenish underground water. Water harvesting is another method to save surface runoff. Next, canals used for irrigation field should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage. Next one, usage of sprinklers. Sprinklers effectively irrigate the area by checking water losses through seepage and evaporation. Especially in the dry regions, drip or trickle is very useful. So, the valuable water resources can be conserved by adopting these means of irrigation. Let me conclude today's session. Hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.